See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello, 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 hello. You know what I just said now? They say for South Africa, for our embassy, they don't cut our light. Why is it that in this world there, what did they follow you for village? If follow you go abroad. What did they go for Nigeria? Come follow our embassy go South Africa. Look at this. This lady dropped this tweet. Said, we have disconnected electricity at the High Commission of Federal Republic of Nigeria. At the High Commission of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. What did they disconnect? Electricity for South Africa. They hold the city for the utility services. We'll go investigate who this person be. Now the embassy picture, he take Twitter. High Commission of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. They took their light, see they no pay in code NEPA. We'll put that like that. Electricity bill. Now the lady be this. If you check her profile, Executive Mayor of City Chaii. PM News. South Africa disconnects power at Nigerian High Commission. South African authorities have disconnected electricity supply to the Nigerian High Commission over unpaid utility bills. The city of Chaii has confirmed. We'll go back to the tweet. We'll go read comment. Let me drop this one for them. I thought say, in 2 years, the Nigerian presidency spent 34 billion, which equals to 403 million rand. Don't worry. Don't worry. Maybe they forgot to pay. Because if we can spend this amount of money for travels, presidency, 34 billion within 2 years, Nigeria is a rich country. Are you this one boost our profile? We don't say we get talk to talk for this type of thing. But for our side, we will really show that. 2 good years, 34 billion just to travel, presidency. Well, this one for inside house, we clean ourselves, say one like this. For outside, we will boost. But we read this one so. He said, you are shameless to bring this to Twitter. Do you know how diplomatic relationship work in Nigeria reality? Another person, dear mayor, it is completely unacceptable to post such. This could have been handled better and more diplomatically. But curious, why most SA hate Nigerians? This one said, you just have to respect South Africans' disdain for Nigeria. From top government officials to the average citizen. It's incredible. It continued, why they disconnected a few other embassies. Somehow, she decided to put the spotlight on Nigeria as it serves a purpose. In fact, they even went an extra step not to mention the other embassies owing utility bills. This one said, very funny, I really don't think you should have brought this here. This should be a secret affair between your country and Nigeria. Nigeria is a great nation irrespective of our current experiences. This is more of disrespectful, if I must say. The hate people now have for Nigeria is so alarming. This one said, what is wrong with the leaders of this country? You can't provide electricity at home and you can't pay for the one given to you in another country. The question is, would you have done the same if it was America or Great Britain? A South African is talking. For do like this, South Africa? This one said, how many millions of naira do they owe? If you go to that tweet now, they don't rebrand our flag and map, anything that represents Nigeria. This is the name they are using now. They say, Abegnistan, that is they are beggars. Abegnistan, Abegnistan. Abegnistan's, another one. Abegnistan's are it accustomed to pay bills. They are more comfortable with adults. So, South Africans, they are mocking Nigeria, a whole nation, giant of Africa. Just say so. What do you think? Drop off a comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.